Just a little bit more. There we go. Nice. So I'd like to see us open at 9:30 and trade higher. I don't want to see us just melt lower from here. I'd much rather prefer us to do one more sweep inside the weekly fair value gap above that old monthly high, above previous day's high. That's the best case scenario for me. That's what I would like to see. Kind of clean all of that up and then work into a premium, a deeper premium. Because now, if you go to regular trading hours, obvious clean buy side, so I want to see another stab above that. That's exactly what I like to see. Every time we open at 9:30 and just trade a higher off rip, I'm always thinking that somebody's out there chasing it. Now it can be, or I could be wrong, and we could just trade higher and then that's it. We never come back down. But more times than not, I'm treating this as a Judas swing. All right, so I'm short here. Want to see this fair value gap be treated as an inversion fair value gap. Simply gonna have my stop loss above the high. And let me take these lines off. First presented fair value gap is 932. Want to see us get beneath it, use it as a premium array. My focus is the relative equal lows here. If we manage to close beneath that first presented fair value gap, then I feel comfortable trailing my stop or possibly removing it altogether. But I want to see a closure beneath it first. So I'm watching this inversion fair value gap. And what I want to see is us not trade to the high end of it. If we could work in the lower half, and that's ideal. I'm looking at some premium arrays on a 15-second chart on my separate screen. We have some inefficiencies in order blocks that I'm watching. So I like how we're working the lower half of the inversion fair value gap. And looking for a closure beneath the first presented. Cutting my risk in half there. I want to add 2 more. You see I switched my micros to 2. I am looking to pyramid this, but if it moves too much or if I don't see an entry that I like as a possible pyramid entry, then I just won't. All right. I'm selling 2 more there. It's based off a 15-second fair value gap. It's not showing on this screen, but I'm adding inside of it. And I want my stop loss above the high of this inversion fair value gap, which comes in at 86 even. So I'll put my stop loss at 87 even. And I'll take probably 2 off at sell side, relative equal lows. And then should we take out that sell side, then my risk comes off completely. Seeing that as minor sell side. And I'll go ahead and peel my risk off because it's above the first presented fair value gap once I move my stop to break even. A little bit of commissions. This should be in dollar signs. Peel 1 off inside of PM's first presented fair value gap, just to walk away with a little something in case we, for some reason, don't want that sell side. Put a little something in your pocket. What I have 7 minis or 7 micros on. I'll take that. I'll take it. I'll take it. So relative equal lows taken. I'm going to take some more off at the midnight open if we can get it. If I can get it. I have 5 contracts on. I'm going to take 3 off at the midnight open, and then I'm going to leave the rest for our relative equal lows down here. And then I'll be content with that for the day. Just a little bit more. There we go. Nice. Perfect. My trading view's a little laggy, I ain't gonna lie. It feels like slow. All right, and that sell side down here is my final draw on liquidity. It's kind of my best case scenario. And that'll be it for me. That is your ATM model. Buy side taken. Yep, Brianna saw it. I saw you in the chat room. You were anticipating it. Big dubs, big dubs. So 7, or I think I had 8 contracts. So 6 out of 8 peeled off. I'm currently up 960. My stop loss should be at break even. I'm currently up 960 bucks. I do want to lock in 1,000, so I'm gonna lock in. Ooh, that's a little risky, but 1,000 a day, and I'm content with that. So there's my my stop, and if it gets hit, it puts me at 1K for the day, and I like that. So stop loss gets hit, I'm up 1,000. TP gets hit, I'm up 1,400. Very nice. And we do have a SIBI there, overlapping with the sell side liquidity pool. Breaker, high, low, higher high, down close candle with the fair value gap. I'm gonna do something like this here. I'm gonna take one off at the new day opening gap, and maybe I'll leave a runner. We'll see. 1,000 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. That's what they say. My trading view's glitching. Like these things are really acting up. Like it shouldn't even be on the chart. I don't know why it's being buggy. Oh my goodness. All right, and there's my, make sure this gets me out. There we go. That does it. Beautiful entries, beautiful exits, almost capturing the low. That's our start time. No webinar today. We're going to do that next Wednesday. And that is it. So love y'all, man. I'll see you back here tomorrow morning at 9:15. All right. Peace.